Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here with a pretty quick video lesson right now going over the top plays. The reason it's going to be quick, they're all the same exact pattern. We got a lot of spikers just going off recently. Just absolutely insane. So many 150, 200% spikers, 400. It's just been crazy. So now a lot of these plays, when they start topping out, they get the backside set in and then they bottom out, people are going to start locking in profits who are short sellers on the play. And that's going to bring in maybe people who missed out on the front side, the initial play. They want to dip buy it. That's going to bring some more momentum to the buyers, helping it bottom out and to lead to that short squeeze, which was actually a good example. GOVX, which was a trade of mine earlier. I won't get into it really, but the multi-day bounce. You get the spike, you get the backside, failure to really break down and head lower. The key really is it starts coming back to reclaim new highs intraday, and if it could confirm that, it could give you that 30% move that we typically talk about. But as usual, lock in 10-15%. But yeah, so this is one example of that. Happened after hours, unfortunately. Didn't like that. I was waiting all day for it. But still, got a nice trade out of this. And when the shorts cover their position, this is the possibility. It could be very quick. So I could stick to my word about this being short. Let's just dive into this. APDN here, an amazing move, going from sub 1, 60 cents or so here to the mid fives. Now we're back in the threes, dipping some more after hours. So we'll see if he needs to pull back some more. Whatever it is, give it some time. Just keep this on radar for a possible multi-day bounce in the next couple of days, as we do have a lot of shorts in this. So that could fuel a solid bounce when it fails to keep heading lower. Next up, same exact pattern. CZOO. Not I know this isn't a red candle here, but it's way off the highs, solid spike, and technically it's a red day. Previous close 105, today's close 101, and solid bottoming after this flush here. That was the lowest point of the day. Started building slowly and coming back. So we'll be keeping an eye on this for a possible bounce play to retest the mid ones. Long shot for me really to say it's gonna get back to the breakout level on average. This is spiking 30%, so I'm gonna stick to that. Should land it in the 130s, maybe 140, 150 at most, but we'll see. So just another multi-day bounce to keep on watch. MTC here, another insane mover with some solid selling coming through, decently off the highs, got it to about 50% off the highs, and had a little bit bounce here into late day, but still didn't really squeeze anybody out. So we'll keep looking for the failure to break down. Maybe it comes back, confirms the mid fours or four itself. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know exactly how it's going to set up, but we're just looking for tightening lows. Tightening of the lows are getting crunched up. It's having a hard time pushing lower and lower. Some of these might not even happen tomorrow. Might be next week, might be Friday. We'll see when. But now that it's set in the backside, see for the failure to keep breaking down for the squeeze. I know it's repetitive, but it's such a great play. It's so simple. And when you time it out nicely with GOVX today, it's just a fantastic play. MTC, AEMD, here's another one going from 1 to 250, but after hours here got to 3. So another pullback on the backside. Just wait for the bottoming action. Intraday new high, confirmation of that level to really squeeze the shorts. Was that it? And AMTD here. Another fantastic play. Just unbelievable. Going from 150 to 13 in a couple of days. Ridiculous. And I think this is the HKD play. It's linked to that, I believe. But yeah, so now we got the backside here. As usual, wait for the bottoming. And then once that momentum comes back, enter when it breaks that high, confirms it, lock in 10-15%. That is kind of it. I'm in FFIE overnight. Very small position, as I don't really like overnight trading, and this isn't anything I typically trade. It's kind of a gamble, but at the same time, I'm reading the momentum, and I'm thinking we could get more upside out of this. We had solid bounce play on this one yesterday, and there was one here, but failed to break down at 2, and we got another one. And here we are, confirming the mid 2s, coming back for that previous high day from yesterday. And it was a slow grind past that, getting stuffed at 3. So I think if we can confirm the high 2s, 3-ish area, whole dollar, half dollar level, I think we could get a quick squeeze into the low 3s, mid 3s, 320s to 350. I think it could be a thing. Hopefully it's something that just gaps up and I wake up to it doing that. But small size, as it's more speculative, and I just wanted to reduce my risk and stress over this play and just learn from it. So yeah, we'll just wrap this up. Hope this was useful. Had a couple good calls today, GOVX being one of them. And yeah, hope this is useful. We'll wrap it up. Check us out on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders. I got the watch list out already. The whole thing, if you want to check out the other tickers. Besides that, have a great one. We'll catch you guys later.